Look at them all.
Oh my gosh.
Look at them all.
Oh my gosh. This is better than in the park.
Buffalo are dangerous. Do not approach.
Yeah, I saw
sign?
that sign.
Did you skip?
Yes, I got the sign. Yeah, I know they are. I'm not approaching them. They're approaching us. That's why we stopped. Oh, you're fast. Hi, baby. Man, this is cool. Thank you, Lord. I love this. I'm so thankful.
This one goes over.
Uh-oh. He's off the path. Oh, look how fast they are. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. You can... Oh shoot, James. Shoot, shoot. Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
look at them still coming.
Oh my gosh, we hit the mother load. Oh, I ask God to bless us, He sure did.
Unbelievable.
Okay, this one coming right by us. Oh my gosh.
Look at how many. This is more than I've ever heard.
Hi, baby. Thanks for passing by. Oh my gosh, James.
Gosh.
Oh my gosh. I cannot even believe this. Unbelievable.
This is nerving.
I'm scared.
This is nerve-wracking.
I'm scared, babe. I'm scared. Shit. Please, Lord, keep me safe. Thank you, Lord. Keep us safe. James, don't stare at him. Don't look at him. Oh shit. Thank you, Lord.
Did you get them all, dude?
Yes.
This is insane. Oh, look at them jumped up. Look at that big one jumped the cattle car.
Oh, they're all around us. Oh, thank you, Lord, for keeping us safe. This is unbelievable. This is about the fourth pack outside the park hauling towards us. Protect us. Keep us safe. This is amazing. I asked to see buffalo. I prayed, but whoa, this is way more than I asked for. I'm thankful.
This is insane.
Oh my gosh, it's coming right towards us, James.